Welcome to another edition of Local Expert TV. I'm your host, Pat Franklin. Today we're going to talk about the very important topic of how to find a good foot care specialist, especially one that can successfully eradicate toenail fungus, which has become a huge problem in the U.S., with upwards of 10 to 15% of the population having this condition. Fortunately today I have joining me Dean J. of Nueva Nail, which is located in Lafayette, California. Welcome to the program, Dean.
Hi, Pat. Thanks for having me.
Oh, you're very welcome. So let's talk about finding a good foot care specialist. In your years of experience, what advice would you have for viewers, say maybe 2 or 3 tips on finding a good podiatrist or foot care specialist, especially one that can successfully treat toenail fungus?
So foot care is essential to everyone's well-being, and the reputation of the doctor is very key. So you want to find a doctor that you can work well with and communicate well with. So I usually recommend referrals. Ask your friends if they know a good podiatrist, someone with good bedside manner that you feel comfortable talking to, or going online and searching Yelp and different review sites to see what other people are saying about this podiatrist.
Okay, great. I especially like the part about on how to find someone online. You may be looking at one's reputation because there's a lot of good and bad information out there. So let's switch gears a little bit and talk about Nueva Nail. Can you tell us what type of experience someone would have if they walk into one of your practices?
So we offer a very welcoming experience and a complete solution to your problem. So we know this is an issue that many people have been struggling with for 5, 10, 15, even 20 years. And it is kind of embarrassing, and there's emotional stigmas tied to the ailment. So we know from the phone call that you make, from the first second you call in, this is a big decision you're making. So we want to hold your hand, per se, and make sure that you're the most comfortable in going through the process and understanding so that you're able to beat this ailment. It is a hard bug to beat, which is why we have a fully encompassing treatment protocol we like to follow. And we take pictures of the patient so you could track your progress and see how everything's working. We're with you the whole way through it. It's over 180 days. So you'll come in from the first day, see a consultation with your doctor. They'll explain everything to you, explain what onychomycosis is, why you may have gotten it in the first place, and then how to beat it with our laser treatments.
Well, it sounds like someone coming to your office would have just a very welcoming experience, in that I think you have just some amazing technology too. And so I wanted to focus on that a little bit as well. What really makes Nueva Nail unique in your area in terms of foot care?
So Nueva Nail doctors are the first doctors in California to exclusively use the Noveon NaiLaser. I actually have one here with me in the office. So it is the latest laser technology for treating onychomycosis. As you can see, it has 4 electron emission ports where you can treat up to 4 nails at once. It comes off and it clips onto a durable patient interface, which sits right on the nail. This is the most effective laser technology because it's fully automated, making sure that each patient, each nail, receives the right amount of laser energy for the correct amount of time. It doesn't get hotter than 105 degrees, which is just like being in a spa or hot tub. So there's no real pain or harm to the person or the natural healthy tissue. These wavelengths are designed to only target the fungal cells. And we've done over 10 years of research to find out that these 2 wavelengths, 870 and 930, only target fungal cells. And the FDA has noticed this and granted us FDA approval for treating onychomycosis with the Noveon NaiLaser.
Yeah, and I believe, Dean, that this treatment has a high success rate?
Yeah, so about 90 to 95% of our patients are fully satisfied and see visible results. The nature of fungus is that it's easily to spread and catch again. So reinfection is high, which is why we try to give the full education and everything. Because after you do the laser treatment, the fungus underneath your nail will be dead. It's how you maintain and take care of yourself to make sure that that dead fungus grows out correctly. You maintain a nice sterile environment for your new nail to stay healthy. But if you expose yourself, you go to the gym or something, and you get exposed to that fungus again and your immune system is weak, you may get it again. And we cannot guarantee 100%, but our patients are satisfied with their results.
Fantastic. I love it. So, Dean, I understand also that for new patients, you have a special offer?
Yeah, so if you mentioned this video or it's your first time coming in, just say, you know, I'm a new patient, I'm interested in getting laser nail fungus treatment, and call our 800 number, and we'll give you $200 off each treatment. So depending on how severe your nail fungus is, you may need 2 treatments, upwards to 3 or 4.
Oh, that's fantastic, Dean. And we have the offer up on the screen, so if you'd like to take advantage of this offer, please call Dean at 866-805-4243. And once again, Dean, I just want to appreciate you coming on the program. And so until next time, viewers, that's it for another edition of Local Expert TV. Thank you, Dean.
Thank you, Patrick.